So Mary is washing curry leaves, which is curry patta, and adding it to 2 large onions, mashing it together. It's just need to be, grinded lightly. And I'm adding 4 large spoons of methi dana powder. And let's see what's coming up, guys. But this is a recipe that I have used for my hair, and usually whenever I have hair loss, this helps. Check this out. To this, add about 500 grams or 500 ml of coconut oil, and I try and use organic, depends upon what you like, and add it to the paste and let it cook nicely in a steel dish. Keep watching. Keep it on a slow flame so it doesn't get burnt down, and then you have to keep stirring in regular intervals. Get all this to burn down a little bit, and then you have to strain it, keep it in a bottle, put on your scalp minimum 3 times a week. Try it, guys. This has worked for me. I was really facing lots of hair loss, and this is really very, very helpful. So I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be straining it in the end. I've used about 500 grams of coconut oil. You can use more. It depends upon how you like it. If you do not like coconut is the best that I like. But if you do not like coconut, then you can add olive oil to this. Try it. It works. It has worked for me. So Mary keeps churning slowly so that it doesn't get burnt. But you guys can use a cast iron pot or a pan that you think will not burn it down. But I like steel. So it depends upon how you like it. I've added 2 large spoons of fenugreek seeds to it as well. And now look, it stops sticking to the pan. And while Mary is stirring, all this gets cooked down, turned down rather, and then you strain. Kindly be gentle, hold the pan nicely and strong, and be careful when you're doing this. Do not have kids in the kitchen. Please be safe, because this is really hot burning oil, and as you can see, is really cooking down. Now as you can see, the entire ingredients have very well burnt down. Trust me, guys, this is needed, but do it very carefully, and you have to cool it down before you strain. Please be careful, cool it down before you strain. So Mary is straining the rest of the stuff, and then the oil gets dripped into the pan, and this is how I store it in a glass bottle. You can finish it. You use 2 months, at least twice a week. You just need to use it on the scalp, and trust me, guys, it works. It has worked for me, and that's why I'm recommending this. There's no side effects. The only side effect is that you have to stand and make sure that you do it slowly and carefully. Okay, I hope this helps. You can even put it into the sun for a day or so and keep it in a glass bottle. Trust me, it's fantastic.